Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to share Clubhouse Club on Twitter. So let's start. First, open the Clubhouse app. Then go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on top right corner. Then at the bottom of your profile you will see all the clubs you are a member of. Now tap on the club icon you want to share on Twitter. And it will take you to the club's page and you will see all the information about the club here. Now tap on the three dots on top right corner and then tap on Share Club. Now swipe left and tap on Twitter. Now write a caption if you want to. I'll just type in Join this club. When you are done, tap Tweet on top right corner and the club will be shared on Twitter. And that is how you can share a club on Twitter. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.